Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a woman pregnant by another man expecting her husband to take care of it. Let's get into the video.
Why don't you just let them know that you just told me that you just got pregnant by another guy and we're supposed to be married?
But you know what? That don't even matter because we got a baby on the way, so we can be able to take care of it.
Who has a baby on the way?
I'm about to say, I have a baby on the way.
Yeah, you have a baby on the way.
Yes, but this baby can also be yours. What are you talking about?
What you mean can also be mine? I didn't get you pregnant. Somebody else did.
But right now, that doesn't really even matter. We have a baby that's about to come into the world.
You have a baby that's about to come into the world. You have a baby that's coming to the world. We don't have anything that's coming to the world together.
Exactly, but you're going to be a great father.
Who's the baby father?
That doesn't even matter, though.
Who's the baby father?
It doesn't matter.
You're right. It doesn't matter because it ain't me. And I'm not taking care of it.
Why not?
So what you gonna do?
Why not?
What you gonna do? What you plan on doing? No.
So you're just saying you're just gonna abandon this baby?
You abandoned me when you decided to go out and get pregnant by somebody else.
Man,
you didn't care about this marriage. You didn't care about me. All you cared about was yourself.
That needs to be forgiven. That's in the past.
I can't forgive. That's something that's unforgivable to me.
Man, that can't be unforgivable.
It's absolutely
I'm
unforgivable.
I'm your wife. You can't.
No. Oh, now you care about being my wife. Like, how long have you been cheating on me? This whole time I think that we're being married and we're together and we're committed, and you've been out here going out having and getting pregnant.
That's okay, but listen though, this baby that's finna come is definitely finna change all of this.
This is not about to change the other thing. Yeah, no, you're right. It is about to change something.
Exactly.
It's gonna change everything. It's gonna change. It's gonna.
Happy family.
We're nothing. We're not gonna be anything.
So you telling me
you are gonna be in a happy family with this guy that you got pregnant by.
I'm about to say he's not even in the picture. He doesn't even matter.
I'm not in the picture.
No, you are.
I'm not. I don't have anything to do with this.
Why not?
You're trying to make me want to take care of your. You want me to take care of your child. Your child. That's your child. That's not my responsibility.
I am carrying the child for you though right now.
How are you carrying the child for me if you got pregnant by somebody else?
Because that doesn't even matter. Like
you didn't even let me know that you were trying to get pregnant.
But I am now, so that's all that matters.
Yes, it would matter if you need to figure out what you're gonna do with your child, with this man, and I have nothing to do with it anymore.
Man,
this is your problem.
I'm about to say, no, this is gonna be our problem. What you talking
about?
No,
it's not.
I
No,
bring this baby in without
I have nothing to do with this, and it's crazy to me how you think that I'm actually absolutely supposed to be taking care of this child.
Why wouldn't you want to take care of this child?
Because I didn't get you. I'm not the one to make the baby with you. It's not my child. You did all the work, and guess what? You did all the work, and you can continue to do the work without me. I have nothing to do with this.
You can take care of this child.
I can, but I'm not.
Why?
Because I'm not. I didn't get you pregnant. What are you saying? You sound so crazy right now. What do you mean? Why not?
I don't, because you my husband.
How are you okay with cheating on me, though?
You're making me stressed.
Let's stick to the fact that you went and cheated on me. Let's stick to the fact that we're married. You cheated on a married man. You stressed yourself out. You did this. You put this on yourself. You should have thought about that when you decided to go cheat on your husband of 10 years with somebody that you won't even tell me who it is.
Because they don't even matter. They are nobody. It don't even matter.
That's not my problem anymore. That's not my problem anymore. This is your problem now.
I am carrying
We were supposed to be married. We are supposed to be a family. We're not anymore. I can't support somebody going out cheating on me and getting pregnant.
Oh my God.
Hey, look at how you acting. Like you don't even seem like you even care.
I do care. That's what I'm saying. Like
you don't act like you care. You seem like you care more about financial stability. I guess you can't take care of it, huh? And that's why you're telling me.
No, for real. Like literally, this can be a partnership here. Like this literally a blessing.
No, this isn't gonna be anything. I think that we need to consider some stuff, reconsider some things.
We don't need to consider nothing. You can help me take care of this child.
I'm not taking care of anything. I don't want anything to do with the child, and I don't want anything to do with you. Actually, I don't want to have anything to do with the child or you.
No.
So you got to figure it out on your own. I'm done with this. I'm done with this. But guess what? I just want the world to see what type of person that these women are.
Oh my goodness.
We got to protect ourselves against women like this. We have to protect ourselves against women like this. We can't trust them. Let this be an example for men to make better decisions in the future. This is the example of a woman you don't want to be with, fellas. Take heed. Yeah, whatever.
Man. So let's go ahead and jump into this, man. One thing he was right about is, men, you have to protect yourself from people that are moving like this. And another thing that he said, she didn't seem like she cared. It honestly didn't seem like she cared other than the financial part. Like, you're going to take care of me and this baby. But she was talking about a partnership. Like, what in the world would make you believe that I'm about to help you take care of somebody else's child when you have went out and slept with somebody else behind my back? Life don't work that way, sweetie. It's time for you to go ahead and pack your bags and keep it pushing. There is no way that this makes sense. You can go ahead and keep it pushing, man. We're not doing this. We're not doing this, fam. But I want to honestly hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this? Because I have honestly heard a few different stories that were similar to this. All right, we're not gonna get into the names and everything like that, but I have honestly heard this before, where a woman has went out, slept with another guy, have got pregnant by another guy, but she wants the man that she's with now to help take care of that child because the guy that she slept with was no good. I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this? All right, drop a comment down below and let's have a discussion about this thing. All right, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. It's crazy out here.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.